Okay then, so after reading the text, let's match these headings from A to F to the paragraphs that we had in the text. There were 5 paragraphs. Great. So here we have the first one is finding solutions. B, brightness we don't need. C, keeping us awake, getting worse and worse, seeing the stars again, and tragic effects in nature. Be careful. There is one extra heading. Okay, so you won't use it. So finding solutions. Do you remember which paragraph? Yeah, we said at the end of the text, which was the last paragraph, paragraph number 5, that we have to switch off the unneeded light and we have to try to share in the or join the earth our day. So it was 5. Brightness we don't need. Like we said, at night in the streets you find the street lights and the shop fronts lights and all this stuff. This was in paragraph number 2. Yes, keeping us awake. This is the effect of the light on human beings. Okay, so the sleeping pattern and the illness and the diseases that can be caused from being awake. This is paragraph number 4. I'm sorry, yeah, and this is number 4. And getting worse and worse, like we don't have anything mentioned in the text talking about being worse. Seeing the stars again. If you remember, it was in the very first paragraph when people in Los Angeles saw a silvery cloud in the sky. This was the galaxy way, and this was very incredible because this is the first time for people to see the beauty of the nature. Yeah, and then tragic effects in nature. When we talked about the effect of the lights on other creatures like the animals and birds. Yeah, this was 3. Great. Let's go here to some discussion questions. What's the light pollution? What do you know about the light pollution? Okay, light pollution is when there is too much artificial light at night. It's not the natural light that God gave us. No, it's the too much light you find at night which is not used, which is not important. Great. How does it affect people and animals? Okay, so as we said before, that we are affected, that we couldn't sleep well, interfering with natural cycles of sleep and activity and causes exhaustion that can lead to serious illnesses. So when you don't sleep well, you will catch disease. It also affects animals by confusing and exhausting them, and as a result, their numbers decline. Like the turtles that are confused with the lights of the seafront hotels, and like the birds that are awake at night singing because they couldn't sleep because of the light. What can we do to solve the problem? So for sure, first of all, we're gonna switch off the unused light. We can dim lights that we need and switch off the lights that we don't need. So dim lights reduce the brightness. Okay, this is great. So here we're gonna fill in the gaps using these prepositions. We have in, to, through, on, of, at will be used 2 times, and then we have by. So number 1, bats and birds easily get confused. Confused, yes, by the artificial light. It's going to rain. I can see storm clouds, yeah, on the horizon or the skyline. Her lack, yes, of sleep makes her very tense. There are a lot of stars in the sky tonight. Tiredness can lead to health problems. Lots of stray cats and dogs wander in the streets or through the streets. Did you see the moon? Yep, at midnight. We marveled at the beauty of the sky at night. Okay, great. Let's go here. We're gonna match the words in bold to their synonyms. Synonyms means like they have the same meaning. We have complete, we have residence, giant, probably, stray, exhausted, decline, creeps in, disrupted, dim, switch off, and marveled. So possibly means what? Yes, probably. Huge means giant. Absolute means yes, complete. Like when I say absolute darkness means complete darkness. Drop, decline, locals, residents or people who live in the area, tired, exhausted, great, turn off, switch off, enters, creeps in, admired, marveled, or to be yeah, to love something very much. Disrupted, sorry, disturbed means, yeah, disrupted. Make less bright, dim, abandoned, stray, like stray cats and dogs in the street. I can find them like, they're fine, they're not that hard. Okay, we're gonna match the opposites. Now we have the antonyms, not the synonyms. Great. So the opposite of darkness means, yeah, daylight. Hoarder, yes, softer. Low, high, empty, full, exhausted, energized, giant, yes, tiny, bright, dark, beautiful, ugly. Yeah, this is awesome. Thank you. Okay, so now we're done with the reading part. And I want you to write a short essay about what you understood from this article and what can you do yourself in order to help reducing or decreasing the light pollution. Thank you. See you soon and bye.